Ladies and gentlemen, today Brow Bar by Reema brings you the Bipolar Brow Set, where dark defines the light for perfect brows. This kit is simple and easy for everyone to use, and it comes with the Bipolar Brow Definer Pencil and Spoolie, as well as the BrowLights Camera Action Dual Highlighter. The kit comes in light, medium, and dark, and gives the perfect contrast to define your brows. The BrowLights Camera and Action Highlighter has two ends on it, one matte side and one shimmery side. You can use the matte side to clean up your brow and make it a crisp, defined brow, and the shimmery side to give it that extra highlight. This brow kit is the perfect gift this holiday season, whether you're treating yourself or your friends and family. Now that you have your kit, let's learn how to create the perfect brows. We are starting with the spoolie end of the pencil and brushing our brow hairs upward and outward. This is going to show us where our natural brow shape is, and we can take the pencil and start feathering in some lines. I like to start with a very light hand so that I can make my brows darker as I go. I'm outlining the shape of the brow and then filling it in the direction of the brow hairs. After completing a brow, I like to brush my hairs upward again and kind of blend everything together. Once the brow product is on and you are happy with it, go ahead and take the matte concealer and trace a line under your brow. This is going to clean up any of the product and also give a highlight under the brow. You can go ahead and blend with your finger downward. Next, we're taking the shimmery side of the pencil and giving an extra boost of highlight. It's as simple as that. Now you have beautiful brows. Instead of choosing to be on the light side or the dark side, let's choose both with the Bipolar Brow Set. Get your flawless brows with the Bipolar Brow Set from Brow Bar by Reema.